Alright, while logging in, of course, is the first time you have to... I just install a certificate. Ignore that or whatever, doesn't matter. Connecting. Alrighty. Now it says this all the time. You know, the first time you load it up, it'll say it, but it always says it'll expire in 60 days, but it stays like that forever. So, I've got two servers installed on mine, Ubuntu server and server 2008. So, this is actually all running off my virtualized virtual machine server right here. Of course, you don't see that because it's bare bones, but you use this program to manage it and to, you know, maintain it and whatnot. So, power on. Now, it's not going to show it. I mean, the whole GUI interface and loading up and everything, it shows you the status and everything right here. But if you want to be able to see it, you have to open console. And now you'll be able to see it load up. And of course, if you want to do this in virtual machine everything, I wouldn't recommend doing it this way. If you're going to have a server, you want to have this actually installed as a host operating system, because it will eat up RAM badly. As you can see here, I've only got 4 gigs of RAM here. I'll show you in a second. So it's basically eating up all my RAM. I've only got 4 gigs of RAM. But if you're going to make a main server, then you're going to want to, have at least 4 to plus RAM, especially if you're going to run multiple operating systems. But of course, I don't have that kind of money, so close that down. And you can see you got the interface here. I actually installed the GUI for the Ubuntu server software. Might load up here. And of course, you have to allocate all kinds of whatnots here. Yeah, anyways, doesn't matter. We'll close that off. And power that on. Console. And while that's loading up here, of course, there's all kinds of basic management stuff here. I mean, I don't use most of it because I'm not a huge business or anything, so. But it's got just enough. System logs. And there's enough stuff right here. This is really real management stuff. It shows you, like here, I give it 2 more threads in my processor, and well, actually, this is the main server you see here. The actual, this guy right here shows memory usage right now. It's using 630 megs of RAM, not a whole lot processor-wise just yet, and it'll kick here pretty soon. Yeah, there it is. There it goes right there. And there's tons of stuff that you can do here in logging management and whatnot. Performance, I mean, permissions. I mean, it's great software for being free, so it may look barebones to some people, but this is great for free. So basically, these two operating systems can run simultaneously if I had enough RAM, and they would run with just this running. You don't have to have this vSphere software. This is just the way I manage it and seeing it, but you can literally close this down, and this would be running at all. This is just the GUI interface, the console, but you run vSphere to launch it, you minimize it, and have this running. It runs both those servers. It's great. And it looks a little slow because I'm sure it's starting to make my hard drive go nuts. It's going pretty slow. There you have it. That's just the basic setup. From there you can install just about any kind of server software and virtual machine if you want to. You can, as long as you've got this application installed, the VMware client software, you could manage this, on whatever machine you're working off of. You could manage it through the internet or remotely, So it's a great piece of software. I was doing some research, and this is the best that I could find, especially through VMware that was free. So I definitely recommend this. And that's about it.